So, so have you guys have a dinner?
Yes, I have. Not
Yes,
yet.
I have.
Not yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, I see it. So this is our first class, right?
Yeah.
And that
Yes.
for you guys
Yeah.
you have to focus what is your purpose to come here, and then you have to focus for studying, and then you when you wanted to study speaking, you have to chill at the same time, and then just feeling this speaking is like I want to see something. Kayak gimana sih speaking tuh kan berbicara, right? So you have to chill with that. Gak usah nervous. Yeah, I know nervous is like it's like a human being, but yeah, it's okay. Okay, take it easy, right? Jadi kayak santai aja. So, can you look at my aku share screen, kelihatan nggak? Kelihatan nggak? My
Yes.
Ada Kak.
okay, cool.
Ada.
Okay, cool.
I can see it.
Okay, we're gonna study IELTS speaking. So as the part of the test. Jadi IELTS itu salah satu tes untuk tes bahasa Inggris selain Google, dan sekarang juga ada Duolingo, right? Dan so untuk trying to speaking, apa sih personal skill yang harus kita butuhin? So I wanna giving you all the tips and trick for Gen Z or like a millennials or whatever. Ini tuh aku udah rangkum. So the first thing as minded, right? Cara berpikir kita, pola pikir kita itu kayak what is your purpose for studying English? If you guys like, oh, I wanna looking cool, I wanna be like a cool person.
Kalau cepet nyusul nanti di share lock aja.
Apa? Suaraku kedengeran nggak atau kecepatan gitu?
Enggak, Kak.
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, okay. So the first thing that you have to do is like pola pikir kalian, your minded. What is your purpose for speaking English? Like, oh, I want to be a cool person, so I want to speak in English karena aku kayak bisa mix gitu, right? Karena aku kayak, oh, I wanted to study English and can speak in English because I wanted to study Birch, kayak, because I wanted to like bahasa Inggris tuh kayak kunci dunia, because I can read kayak aku bisa baca semua literatur if I know English, right?
Yep.
What is your, so you have to like choosing, oh, okay, I want to study English because I have a purpose, so I have to make this minded on me, karena itu tuh cara orang tuh, mindednya orang tuh tiap orang tuh beda-beda. Jadi aku mau kalian kayak have your own, gak nyuri dari orang, right? Karena itu tuh pola kalian. Okay. Maybe if you guys have a question, you can ask me later. And then the second, yang kedua itu find your childhood trick. You know, ketika kita kecil tuh, right, kita tuh pasti nggak tahu ngomong kan. And then kita bisa ngomong tuh kenapa. So what you have to do is like find your childhood trick. Kalian tuh ketika kecil tuh bisa berbicara tuh karena kenapa. So you have to like choosing in yourself, like point that you're in yourself. Okay, kayak aku ini masih anak kecil yang baru belajar bahasa Inggris, so I have to find my childhood trick. Waktu kecilku tuh itu kayak gimana? Maybe like aku ngelihat sekitarku, I'm looking at my environment, kayak aku bisa berbicara itu kayak gimana. So untuk di bahasa Inggris, maybe you guys can do like that. Maybe just like hearing from movie or like trying to speaking with foreigner or stranger people. Like, oh okay, that's great. Yang penting tuh kalian tuh pasti punya trik sendiri bagaimana. Maybe you guys can watching TikTok gitu, nonton TikTok dari orang luar. That's literally like help you guys mostly, that's helping me too. And then kayak ingat kayak sekitar kalian gimana, apakah kita belajar dengan mendengar atau karena kayak ngobrol gitu, right? And then fun your environment. So, and then yang ketiga adalah confident. Seperti yang aku bilang, if you wanted to say something, you have to confident. Karena kayak kalian tau gak, kalau kalian ngomong bahasa Inggris dan kayak kalian pakai aksen kalian sendiri, even kalian kayak pakai aksen Jawa, aksen apa, that's really like more cute. Itu tuh more tertarik, kayak lebih tertarik, lebih ditarik gitu loh. Dengan kayak orang luar karena kayak oh my god you so cute, your accent really good, kayak mereka tuh malahan kayak gitu. Dan mereka tuh malahan lebih kayak menghargai if you guys like trying to speak in English, if even like you're just like in beginner, just know to say hello, like I'm good, just like that. That's okay. And then the thing is find your idea, right? Karena kalau kalian juga confident dan gak tahu mau ngomong apa, kayak ide kalian tuh gak ada. So that's the worst thing, right? You have to know like ketika kalian nyusun kata tuh kayak gimana, kalian kayak ngobrol itu kayak gimana, dan that is proses, nggak ada yang mudah. So belajar aja dan yakin dengan proses. And then I think that is for my personal skill that I want to tell you guys how to speak in English. And then if you have a question, you can ask me right now or we can skip. Kita skip aja kali ya. Maybe later you guys can ask me. Okay, jadi in speaking part 1, so in IELTS itu ada task speaking, right? And then di part speaking itu ada yang part 1, ada yang part 2, ada yang part 3. So for speaking part 2 is about introduction and then interview. So there's like examiner will verify your ID and ask question on basic topic like school, family, friends, pet, oh my god, pet and favorite place. And then for speaking part 2 is about long term. You will be given a cue card or task card. After the 1 minute of preparation, you will be expected to speak for 1-2 menit actually on the topic, after which the examiner will ask a question beside on the topic. Jadi untuk di part 2 nanti kalian tuh akan dikasih kayak card gitu, and then kalian bakal jawab dan harus prepare 1 menit, setelah itu kalian jawab gitu. And then in part 3 itu ada discussion. Itu nanti kalian ditanya tentang apa yang kalian jawab di part 2. So, what is speaking part 2 task? You can see it. Aku udah kasih tahu. This is the task lasts for like 4 until 5 minutes, and then till start will you giving the introduce yourself after which the examiner will introduce himself and herself to you, so you both know each other for other identity. The examiner will then question you on some familiar basic topic like school, family, friends, pet, favorite place, and so on. This is take your ability for communicate the idea and information on everyday topic. Topiknya tuh everyday gitu. And then what is the tips for speaking part 1 is definitely be confident. It boosts your image, kayak kalian tuh harus berani. Okay, this is my IELTS test, so I have to confident with it. And then show interest in question, make it lively, don't sound robotic. Kayak gini ya. If you want to answer the speaking part 1, you have to like let it slow, let it kayak biarkan aja ngalir, let it flow. If you guys at the first time like kalau kalian pertama kali ngomong kayak robot, yeah, that was okay. That's the part of like learn. And then avoid giving yes or no answer. If you answer in yes or no pattern, it show that you are unwilling to speak on it. Jadi usahakan kalian gak ngomong yes or no for answer the question, kayak kayak gini. Are you like a book? Kayak yes, don't answer like that. Kalian harus kayak I do love reading because I'm the person who like introvert and then I love reading because that kalian kayak bikin explain yang banyak gitu, more idea, right? And then know the question that you can expect. Having prior knowledge on the question make you sound like a pro. Jadi kalian harus sering praktis dan kayak realizing the question dan kayak belajar. Oh, maybe the examiner will ask like with ask me with this question, right? Dan try to expand on your answer. Do not give one line answer. Jadi kayak jawaban kalian tuh jangan hanya satu kalimat. Berilah sebuah kayak alasan dari kalimat kalian yang pertama, terus kayak glow your idea, something like that. And then the last is try to answer all the question asked by examiner. Kayak kalian tuh harus berusaha jawab question itu dan jangan bilang I don't know kalau bisa. But if you stuck, it's okay to say that, right? But you have to answer all of the question. And then itu aja dari presentasi kali ini. Maybe you guys have a question atau kita langsung praktek. Kalau ada pertanyaan nggak? There's no question. Okay. Aku mau tanya kalian nih. Untuk pertemuan pertama kali ini, aku bakal ngasih kalian topik for speaking in English. Kayak aku kasih kalian topik atau kalian yang milih topiknya. Gimana?
Kasih topik aja Kak, biar ada ini.
Pilih topik kali ya.
Pilih topik. Pilih topik. Okay. But I wanna look in your speaking. Like kalian tuh ngomongin kayak your idol aja dulu gimana? Kayak kalian bahas whatever you want. I'm giving you 1 minute. Gimana? Kayak kalian ngomongin kayak tentang color. I love green color. That's my favorite.
Oh, really good.
Gimana?
Good idea.
Baik.
Kita
Siap, I'm ready.
Aku ngasih kayak waktu buat ngomong bahasa Inggris aja kali ya. Kalian kayak 1 menit biar kebagian semua gimana? Maybe like the sum of you, right?
Yes, I
A good idea.
Okay, great. Who's gonna go first? Siapa yang mau pertama kali nih? Siapa nih yang mau pertama?
Just pick the one, Kak.
Kasih random aja gak sih sama kakak hostnya?
Oh, oke. Apa tadi? Kalian nanya apa? Mau aku contohin? Atau gimana?
Iya, Kak.
Kakak yang pilih aja gitu loh.
Contohin
Maybe like an introduction.
Kak, I
introduction.
want to
Okay.
try first.
Oh,
I
you
want
wanna-
to try first.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Go first, Grace. Okay, Grace,
It's
go.
like up to me,
Yeah, up to me.
the
Up to
topic.
you.
Or,
Yeah, up to you.
okay. Maybe I want to tell about my idol.
Okay,
Um,
great. Aku tuh udah.
Oh my
Wait.
God.
Let me
Yeah,
set
okay.
up the timer. For
Okay.
everyone, please mute your video. Okay. Oh, why I have to call you Nabila? Is that what?
Yes, you can call me Nabila.
Okay, Nabila, time is yours.
Okay. Thanks for this opportunity. Now I will tell you my idol. Actually, I was still in middle school, and I'm really like interested to K-pop because it seems like an interest culture, and it really like how Asian artists can be global artists like that. It seems like, oh, it is very good. Like I really want to like, I really love K-pop, and the first time I knew K-pop it because of Super Junior. When I was in middle school, they came to Indonesia to conduct a concert, and the national TV show them when they did interview, and I think like, oh, they are very cool, they are very good
Okay.
person. And yes,
That's enough
okay.
for 1 minute, cause like I have to wait untuk yang lain juga, right? Tapi aku udah bayangan sih, kayak you're really good. You're in middle school, are you?
No, now I'm at college, but when I first know K-pop, it when I
Oh,
was in middle school.
Oh, okay, sorry, cause that's really good. Kayak kamu udah ngomong juga udah lancar, and then what I have to do is like kamu masih ngomong gitu, right? Jadi that was okay. Nanti kita kasih tips and trick deh setelah itu gimana, right? Okay, who's gonna next? Siapa nih? Siapa tadi yang chat itu? Okay, Rosadi, you gonna go?
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm ready. But wait a minute. Saya ada telepon.
Who's another? Ada yang lain ya? Oh, itu Amin.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay,
Good
Rosadi.
evening.
Okay, let's
Good
listen.
evening, everyone.
Okay.
Okay. Let me read
Can I
the
speak?
My
time.
first time my English. My
Okay,
English is not good, and my English is not good enough.
Okay, wait, guys. Wait, calm down. Amin, can you mute? Okay, great. I love you guys. Okay, let's get started. For
Yes,
Amin,
can I speak? Thank you very much for the
no,
time.
no, no.
Yes,
No,
thank you very much for that. I'm sorry, my camera off. All right.
Amin, I feel like
Um,
Rosadi go
yes.
first. Okay, Amin, take your time. It's
Excuse
okay.
me. Yes, thank you very much for the time. I'm sorry I cannot open the camera because I out of the home of the house. All right, at the first time, I'm very appreciate. I'm very really hard to speak English because speak English is the way to deliver our thought, our feeling, and our knowledge, etc. So how to be confident? My question: how to deliver our thing, our thought, our opinion freely and systematically? Can you have? Do you have any suggestion for us? Thank you.
Oh, you done? Are you done? Okay, nice, Kak Amin, for your answer. And then what you have to do is like build your idea again, and then okay, yeah, you still learn, right? That was really good for the first time. Okay, who's gonna next? Kak Rosadi, right?
Me, Angel.
Okay.
Kak Rosadi first.
Rosadi here.
Okay. Wait, let me set the timer, guys.
I'm just like to. Oh, okay.
Start now.
I just like to introduction. Introduce myself. Actually, my name is Rosadi. I'm from Ciara District, Lebak Regency, and Bandung Province. So I'm here to talking about my favorite song. That's really good. Everyone have a favorite song and favorite food, favorite drink or something. But my favorite song is so religious, it's so religion and something. So I think it's so really, really beautiful. So I want to know about your favorite song. Thank you.
Okay. That's great. So, Kak Rosadi, you still spend nggak sampai 1 menit. And then Kak Amin juga, that's the thing. I giving you time for like 1 minute. So, I will stop you if already. Aku bakal stopin kalian buat sampai 1 menit, but you have to still speaking sampai 1 menit. Karena di AS juga kayak gitu. You are giving a time. Jadi kalau nggak cukup, that's matter. Itu bisa jadi masalah. Then, but that was okay. And then you asked me what is my favorite song. My favorite song is Thomas is movie. I think you guys doesn't know it. And then
No, I don't know.
yeah, I do. I know it. You can. Who's next? Kak Angela tadi ya? Kak Angel ya? Who's next?
Okay.
Okay, Kak Angel. Okay, wait. Let me reset the time. Okay, go.
Can we start now?
Yeah. Start right now.
Okay. Hello, my name is Angel. Angel Miracle. You can call me with Angel. Okay. About my favorite idol, I have one or two favorite idol. His name is BTS Suga and EXO Sehun. Of course, I like K-pop. I maybe I can right. I love K-pop and I stand K-pop, but not K-pop. In Western, I love Michael Jackson. I love everything about Michael Jackson, like his dance, his voice, or something inside him. For me, in K-pop, why I
Angel.
like K-pop? What?
Kak,
What?
udah 1 menit. Karena aku
Oh, udah ya?
Ya
Oh,
udah.
Oke.
Okay. Nggak apa-apa kan? Aku kayak
Nggak apa-apa, hold aja.
Ini kayak Angela, you're really good for speaking, kayak udah. And then I think everyone talking about K-pop, right? That was good. Keren banget. And then recently you like Michael Jackson. Semua orang change since pandemic. Okay, who's gonna next everyone? Siapa lagi nih? Yang mau? Who's?
Me,
Okay. Siapa tadi namanya?
Aura.
Aura, okay, Aura. Wait, I will reset the time. Okay, start.
Thank you, Miss. I think I should introduce myself first. My name is Zalfa Aura Khalif. Currently, I'm in Bandung City, West Java Province. Now, my age is 20 years old. I love reading, like self-improvement book, and I love watching Netflix, like Fuller House, Stranger Things, Sherlock Holmes, Enola Holmes, Riverdale, and I love American food like burger, French fries, and pancake, and I love Indonesian food like sate.
Okay, already 1 minute. Thank you, Aura.
Thank
So-
you. Yes.
So you like reading self-improvement book?
Yeah.
Have you read philosophy book? Filosofi kopi. Apa sih filosofi itu?
Yeah.
Aku juga lagi baca begitu. That's great book, right?
Yeah. Now I'm reading like the Atlas of Happiness from Helen Russell.
Oh, that's great. Kita
Yes,
bisa
really
buku. Kalian mungkin bisa chat aku buat share buku buat ngelatih speaking juga. It's okay, guys. Take it easy. So, who's gonna next?
Me.
Okay, tell me your name. What is your name?
You can call me Anna.
Anna?
Me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Anna, wait. I will reset your time and start right now.
Okay. I'll introduce myself first. I'm Revana. You can call me Anna, guys. Talking about idol, I don't have idol. Not because I don't like them, but I can like someone else. I don't know, but what happened with me? Maybe it's because I'm the type. Yeah.
So that is Anna.
Yeah.
That is you wanna talking. Okay. That's great for the first time, and then you already speak in fluently for the kayak pronouns. That's really great. And then, yeah, that's really great. Okay, who's next? Siapa nih? Siapa lagi nih? Siapa lagi nih, guys? Kalian harus kayak, siapa lagi nih yang mau trying?
Me. Can I speak one more?
Tell me your name. Say it. Tell me your name. I can.
Me? Aku
Can I speak one more time? My name is Amin Ibowo. I'm from Semarang. I'm from Semarang. I am an English teacher for teaching the high school actually, but so far I still need to learn. But the topic of this time is idol. I think my idol is someone who my English teacher when I was teaching when I was learning and studying in junior high school. When I was studying at junior high school, he's very inspired me. He was very inspired me. He always teach us. He taught us about the vocabulary, how to make a sentence. So far, he inspired me as a teacher. Thank you very much.
Okay, that's great answer. Kayak bagus-bagus. Who's gonna? Okay, Kak Benayu.
You can call me Ben. It's better.
Oh, Ben. Okay, sorry. sorry. Okay, I will appreciate your time. Okay, start right now.
Okay. Good evening to all of us. Thank you for this opportunity. So talking about idol, I personally actually quite admire his figure. This idol name, Jerome Pollitt. If you know, his figure who is patient about pursuing his goals, and he has content, educational and entertaining content. So that's it. Thank you for the attention.
Okay, that's great. So you like Jerome udah pulang kan ya?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm a fan of Jerome too. Who's gonna next?
Okay, thank you.
Who's next? Kak Rahmadani ya?
Yes, Miss. Me, Miss Dani. Dani. You can call me Dani.
Okay, Dani, go first. Okay, let me repeat the time. Okay, start.
Okay, my name is Ramdhani Zamzani. You can call me Dani. I'm from West Nusa Tenggara Barat, exactly West Lombok. And now I would like to tell you about my village or my islands. My island is so many destination like waterfall, through beach, and Islamic destination. And if you know when tomorrow or February, you know, MotoGP will start in my village. And if you want to go to my island, you must boarding a ship from Tanjung Perak Harbor until Lembar Harbor. You must pay maybe I think 100,000.
Okay, Kak Dani. Okay, Kak Dani, it's enough. You speak really good. You speak really good. I'm so appreciated you guys. Kalian semua aku sangat bangga dan appreciated. Dan kalian udah speaking sangat bagus dan I love you guys. Kalian udah kayak majuin ide kalian dan mulai confident. Kalian udah speaking kayak natural. That's really good. Siapa lagi nih yang mau nih?
Me.
Oh, Dilaka. Kak, siapa Fadilah? Okay.
Yes.
Fadila. Okay, wait, let me reset the time and then start right now.
Hello, my name is Fadila. You can call me Dila. I'm 20 years old. I'm from Garut. I like K-pop. My favorite boy group is NCT and EXO. My favorite bands in NCT and EXO and Taeyong and Sehun. Thank you.
Okay, that's great. Okay, kalian nih K-popers ya. Aku juga K-popers actually. Okay. Okay, that's really great. Kak Fadila udah speakingnya. Kayak udah nge-build idea. Kalian udah confident. Itu tuh aku senang banget. Walaupun hanya sedikit, but that's really good. Who's gonna next? Kak Etik ya?
Me, yeah.
Okay. Okay, I wanna
Hello,
listen.
my name is Eti Rahmawati.
Okay, start.
Now I'm a teacher, and I like Maudy Ayunda because she graduated from a very good university in the world, from Stanford and Oxford University. That's it from me. Thank you.
Okay, that's great, Kak Etik. So you like Maudy Ayunda? Actually, namaku tuh Audi. Kak, aku belum kenalan ya. Bentar aja kali ya.
Iya.
Aku kenalan nih.
Ya Kak, belum
Siapa?
kenalan.
Iya, aku belum kenalan nih. Bentar aja kali ya. Oke. Yang siapa lagi nih? Siapa lagi nih? Kalian harus berani ngomong.
Can I?
Host, tell me your name.
Mimi.
Sasa Ufut. Oh, Kak Agnia ya. Agnia.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello everyone. My name is Agnia Konita. I am from Bogor. Just call Agnia. And then I want to tell you about my favorite artist is Olivia Rodrigo, because I like her so much because her voice is so good, so amazing, I think. So that's enough, maybe.
Okay.
Thanks, Miss.
Okay. Agnia. Also, you love Olivia. Have you heard it? My favorite song is Brutal. Yeah.
So good too.
Yeah, I know it. So who's next, everyone? Siapa lagi nih?
Hello, can I?
Oke. Kak Rahmadani nih udah. Oh, Kak Rahmadani ya?
No, I'm
Tanti.
Yeah.
Oke, Tanti. Wait. Start.
Okay. Can I?
Start.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Tanti Nurul Pajrin. You can call me Tanti. I'm from Bandung, East Java. My favorite color is black and white, and I like actress Billie Eilish. Yeah, the first I listen this song is very good for my eye. Alice Billie is perfect for me because she she has sexy voice, and all people I think can follow her voice too, and she is beautiful face, and I like her style. I like her hair models,
Okay.
green color.
Okay, already 1 minute. Thank you, Tanti. That's really good. So you like Billie Eilish? I don't relate to you. It's like that, right? I love that song.
Yeah.
So, who's next nih? Who's next? Siapa lagi nih? Siapa lagi yang mau speaking English? Kak Hera ya? Kak Hera mau speaking nih?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let me reset time. Okay, start.
Okay, guys. Thank you for the change. The first, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Samawati. My age. I'm 18 years old, and my idol. Actually, I'm not Wibu, but my idol is Naruto. But it's
5. My idol is Jerome Pauline. Thank you.
Okay, Kahira, that's great. So are you Maba, right?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Mhm.
So, siapa lagi nih yang mau speaking in English?
Me.
Kalian kayak, oke, siapa nih, Kara?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Medan. I'm a college student at Paramadina University in South Jakarta, and I love music like playing guitar or make some cover song at my Instagram. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Okay, that's great, Kara. So you you can play guitar?
Yeah.
How about
Just
electric
little.
guitar? How about electric guitar?
No, just
just acoustic?
Yeah, acoustic.
Okay, great. Who's next nih? Siapa lagi nih? Who's gonna trying to speak in English? Who's next? Ayo dong. Kayak introducing kalian aja itu tuh udah amazing tau. Karena kalian kayak introducing tuh itu yang penting. Karena kalau di college kalian mau study abroad, kalian harus introducing. Itu hal yang important. Siapa lagi nih? Atau aku introducing nih? Aku introducing ya diri aku.
Okay.
Iya, Kak.
Okay, everyone. Hello, my name is Audi Aulia. You can call me Audi. So I think that's it. So ada yang mau ditanyain nggak dari yang presentasi ini? Kayak tentang ini nih, personal skill gitu, kayak gimana? Atau mau trying to speak English lagi, ada nggak?
Aku mau nanya, Kak.
Okay, take your time.
Pakai bahasa Indonesia, sorry talk bahasa.
Okay, nah. You can.
Tadi aku sempat. Oke, tadi aku sempat dengar teman-teman ada yang pakai aplikasi Tandem. Aku juga pernah nyoba, tapi kadang-kadang kita kan orang Indonesia itu sering basa-basi ya, sedangkan orang bule itu kadang-kadang to the point, apalagi orang-orang Rusia atau Eropa gitu. Nah, untuk memulai first talk itu sama teman-teman yang atau praktisnya itu lebih baik seperti apa ya Kak, supaya kita juga nggak kaku-kaku banget nanti gitu saat mulai berbicara gitu. Terima kasih.
Okay, thanks. That's a great question. Okay, aku tuh juga practice English langsung dengan orang luar negeri. Dan actually aku mulainya dari sesama orang Asia. Jadi kayak kita tuh saling belajar. I think the first thing that you have to do itu belajar sama orang Asia. Jangan langsung kayak mereka yang literally udah kayak native speaker, right? Udah kayak ya orang bule tuh kayak gitu. I think the first thing that you have to do itu belajar dengan orang yang Asia gitu loh kalian ngobrolnya. But if you want to trying, kalau kamu mau coba langsung kayak dengan foreign people, kalian mungkin bisa hello, how are you, kayak how pandemi di sana bagaimana, and then kalian bisa skip ke orang lain, kalian mulai lagi pembahasan yang sama dengan itu, right? Kita kan belajar dulu. That's the process, right? Gimana? Udah bagus belum tipsnya? Atau mungkin kurang puas nih?
I have
Aku mau tanya dong, Kak.
Oke, tadi itu dulu, Manda dulu deh. Manda duluan, tunggu ya.
Oke.
Manda apa nih, Manda?
Jadi gini, Kak, maksudnya ini kan IELTS speaking ya. Ini tuh kayak apa ya? Apa sih bedanya sama speaking yang lain gitu? Apa ada certain purpose atau apa gitu? Apa gimana?
Oke, kan IELTS itu kan untuk mengukur kemampuan bahasa Inggris kita kan, kayak sertifikatnya tuh kayak menunjukkan, oh, you're ready, kayak ini tuh bukti bahwa kamu tuh udah good di speaking. Jadi kalau kalian mau daftar tuh perlu yang namanya IELTS. Bedanya tuh apa sih? Nah, actually semuanya yang namanya speaking kan sama, but di speaking IELTS itu kan ada beberapa topik yang mungkin kayak itu sebagai petunjuk kalau kamu tuh udah ahli kayak untuk speaking. Nanti kalian kayak bakal ditanyain. Kan rata-rata IELTS itu kan gunanya untuk college kan, kayak pembuktian untuk kayak akademik. Jadi nanti kalian bakal ditanyain kayak pertanyaan mengenai kayak sekolah kalian gimana, kayak kan nanti kalian tuh bakal ngomong tuh sama lecturer, kayak sama dosen di luar negeri kan. Jadi kalian tuh harus bisa yang ngomong bahasa Inggris kayak gitu, right? Kayak yang bisa dimengerti oleh mereka gitu. Jadi intinya sih kalian harus confident sih. Mau ngomong kayak speaking tuh apapun itu topiknya kalian harus bisa. Dan bedanya sih yang namanya IELTS ya untuk membuktikan. Gimana sih hal-hal untuk yang membuktikan kalau kami tuh udah bisa speaking, right? Gimana Manda? Udah belum?
Oke. Soalnya kan aku tuh sempet lihat kayak meme-nya gitu kan Kak. Kan kalau kayak kita explain something in English gitu secara kayak TOEFL atau IELTS tuh kayak, jadi kalau IELTS tuh kayaknya explain-nya tuh lebih kayak yang panjang dan detail gitu. Itu nggak tahu
Iya emang.
meme aja gitu ya apa gimana gitu.
Emang iya kayak gitu. Nanti ini kan masih pengenalan, nanti kita kayak masuk ke situ, oke? Semangat intinya.
Oke. Makasih
Siapa
Kak.
lagi nih yang mau tanya?
Kak, maaf.
Oke. Iya, boleh
Kak,
Nabila.
maaf. Aku tadi sempat keluar-keluar gitu dari Zoom. Aku boleh nanya nggak? Kan kakak tadi bilangnya kalau buat latihan speaking gitu kan kakak kayak langsung ngomong ke sama native speaker-nya ya? Atau enggak listener. Nah itu aku boleh nanya nggak kak, itu kakak lewat aplikasi apa gitu enggak?
Oh,
Terus aku
aplikasi.
kayak cari-cari apa speaker.
Oh, I see. Keren ya. Oke.
Iya.
Aku kan aku tuh pertama trying to speak English itu tuh ke diri aku sendiri. Aku tuh kayak bilang gini, oh I wanna to speak in English because I wanna be a cool person. So jadi aku kayak ngomong ke teman gue tuh pakai bahasa Inggris, kayak aku mix gitu. Dan I don't care dan aku nggak peduli even itu kayak grammarnya kayak gimana. I don't care, but I'm trying. Kayak di kelas bahasa Inggris tuh aku kayak berusaha, walaupun aku nggak bisa, tapi aku berusaha manfaatkan, kayak bertanya ke guruku tuh pakai bahasa Inggris, kayak menjelaskan sesuatu di kelas bahasa Inggris tuh pakai bahasa Inggris. Aku tuh push bener-bener kayak gitu. Dan juga untuk aplikasinya, aku tuh kan join study stream. Jadi aku kayak punya teman mutual gitu. Jadi kayak gitulah. Kayak di Discord gitu. Susah sih memang buat temuin temen gitu. Yang penting kalian berusaha aja. Di TikTok mungkin bisa kalian. Oke, ada lagi nggak yang mau nanya? Gimana nih, Nabila?
Oke.
Want to ask you something, Miss?
Ya, kasih Kak.
Oke. Apa nih kamu mau tanya nih?
Yang study stream itu caranya kayak gimana? Aku tuh tahu webnya, cuman itu sangat susah cara masuknya tuh.
Oh, nanti kamu personal chat aja ya.
Aku nggak tahu nomornya yang mana.
Lihat aja di grup yang admin itu. Audi, kan aja, right?
Okay, Miss. Thank you very much.
Iya. Oke, ada lagi nggak yang mau praktek speaking? Lagi gak nih? Kak Melisa ada gak? Mau gak? Sakina, ada lagi gak? Nih. Vero, mau gak practice English?
Wah, boleh deh, Kak.
Oke. Ayo. Semangat.
Hello everyone. My name is Veronica. You can call me Vero. I'm from Bekasi, and I want to say sorry because I have a little bit terrible English. If you're talking about idol, I like K-pop and Korean drama. Yesterday I watched Happiness. I'm so sorry, I'm so nervous.
Yeah.
That's it.
Oke. Thanks, Vero. Aku terima kasih karena kamu udah berani buat ngobrol. That's great. Dan semoga kedepannya bisa lebih berani lagi ya ngomong kayak lebih panjang, oke?
Thank you, Kak. Ya.
Oke. Siapa lagi nih yang mau? Fanny nih. Siapa lagi nih? Sheila, Siti, Santi. Apa nih? Reza. Oke, who's? Let me know your name. Hervina. Herwina. Okay. Start right now.
Okay. Hello, everyone. My name is Herwina. You can call me Wina. I'm from
North Sumatra, but now I live in Surabaya. Now I'll talking about my idol. His name is Kim Namjoon from BTS. I really like him because he loves to read books in all his spare time, ride a bike, and go to gym. But he can drive a car, and actually he is a good leader. Thank you, I'm Sun Elfos.
Yeah, okay, that's great. So, aku ngeliat di chat kalian ngobrolin K-pop, kalian lucu banget. That's great, everyone. Kalian nge-text pakai bahasa Inggris, that's really great. Kalian ngobrolin K-pop ya di chat. Oke. Herwina, kamu keren banget, udah berani dan trying to speaking. Siapa lagi nih? Sisa 4 menit nih. Ada lagi gak yang mau trying to speak? Mungkin mau bertanya gitu. Ya, nggak apa-apa. Santai aja.
I have question.
Okay, ask me.
Oke. Gimana caranya supaya speaking kita tuh nggak kecepatan gitu, Kak?
Oke, gimana caranya speaking kita nggak kecepatan? Aku mau bilang sih, setiap orang kan kita tuh biasa ngelihat orang ada yang ngomongnya cepet, ada yang ngomongnya nggak cepet. Jadi itu tergantung kalian, nyamannya kalian tuh, yang pertama tuh kalian harus, kalian tuh nyamannya ngomong cepet atau ngomong nggak cepet. Dan juga yang terpenting adalah bagaimana kayak lawan bicara kalian tuh bisa paham apa yang kalian ngomong, right? Dan caranya itu kalian kayak berpikir sebelum bertindak. Kalian bisa kayak calming, kayak okay, slow down, right? Ngerti gak?
Yes.
Oke. Itu tuh hal yang pertama harus kalian pikirin. Kayak berpikir sebelum bertindak. Oke.
Thank you.
Oke, apa nih lagi yang ada gak lagi yang mau bertanya? Kayak mungkin mau kasih tips dan saran buat aku juga, mungkin ada nggak? Kalian nanti mau bahas gimana, mau belajar gimana, mungkin bisa. Oke, ada lagi ya? Ada yang
Kayaknya
mau...
boleh, Kak.
Apa? Apa nih?
Would you like to tell me about your education background and your experience to study about English?
Education background? You want to know about me? Tapi kalian tuh kalau tahu aku pasti kalian bakal shock sih. Nggak tahu sih. So let me introduce myself. My name is Audi Aulia. I'm in university right now, and I'm 17 years old. And then I love teaching, I love study. Aku suka belajar dan everything. I love did something like this one. And then me here as a volunteer. And then kalau kalian mau tanya-tanya ke aku, it's okay, feel free. Dan kita bisa belajar sih sembarang. Aku tuh suka banget belajar kayak gini-gini. Kalian bisa ngobrol santai ke aku. I love karena aku juga biasa ngobrol sama orang yang kayak yang udah kuliah gitu, yang udah S2, yang udah guru begitu, mereka kayak kita belajar bareng. It's okay, aku punya kayak teman-teman yang kayak gitu kok. Kita biasa ngobrol pakai bahasa Inggris. Kita bisa belajar sama-sama sih. Ada lagi gak? So I'm from Sulawesi. Aku dari Sulawesi. And then I'm still improve my English skill, and ya, aku masih belajar juga sama seperti kalian. Jadi kita bisa belajar bareng. Jadi aku bisa merasakan apa yang kalian rasakan, right?
Yes.
Ada gak lagi pertanyaannya?
Boleh nanya lagi nggak, Kak?
Oke, take your time.
Tentang grammar gitu gimana? Kayak nyusun grammar.
Oh, how to study grammar?
Yes.
Okay. I don't really good at that actually, but I wanna. For me, I'm studying else is like just practice and then practice in internet, and then improve your part of speech, kalian harus paham banget tentang part of speech itu ada subject, ada adverb, ada noun. Not subject, ada noun, ada verb, ada conjunction, kayak gitu-gitu. Nantilah kita bahas. Kayaknya waktunya udah habis nih, guys. Ada lagi nggak mungkin? Ada nggak yang mau praktik? Mungkin satu orang lagi. Kak Konita mungkin, Kak Agnes, Kak April. Okay, I think that's enough for class. Kalian mungkin belum makan malam juga, right? If you guys have a question, kalian bisa tanyain aku di grup, and then I'm really welcome for you yang mau belajar. Aku seneng banget sama orang yang kayak gitu, yang mau belajar, we can share everything. Karena tuh yang bedanya orang Indonesia dan orang luar negeri tuh cara penyampaian yang mereka tahu ke orang lain tuh beda banget. Dan kayak terbuka untuk pengetahuannya tuh jarang banget ada orang Indonesia yang kayak gitu. So, aku sangat appreciated sama orang-orang yang mau bertukar pikiran, apalagi bertukar pengetahuan. That's really great. And then I feel that's enough for the class. And then don't forget to remind the purpose why you speaking, why you want to learn speaking in English. And then find your confidence, find your idea, keep practice. And then, yeah, that is.